Hi, this is who we'll be talking about. Paddy, or basically this is Bren versus Paddy, a battle of will and wits to get him to eat more healthily. Just to summarise, he lost his mate about 4 months ago. He took it pretty bad. He settled himself down to die, and it took a lot of coaxing to get him back up alive and kicking. And as you can see, he's kicking loudly, which would be annoying, except it's such a relief. Now, because his mate, just to summarise, I adopted 6 teals, fostered several other birds and animals. But at 53 years old, I do not want to get any other animal because very likely they might outlive me and would not be fair on the animal. So Paddy is now on his own. Now, Cody, his mate, was 32 years old. He was a very old bird. In the last year of his life, he really lost interest in most food and would only settle to eating, well, millet and crap birdseed. At 32 years old, I honestly wasn't going to say no to him. So I just said, go ahead, just do it. Of course, this got Paddy into a bad habit. He is 28 years old, and since the death of his mate as well, he started developing seizures. And I thought, okay, Paddy, that's it. You might be 28 years old, but you're not dying of a seizure, probably because you're on a bad diet. So let's get you onto a good diet. I will go into greater depth and other videos probably on different things that I tried and how I managed to get him to eat fairly healthily. It did take a lot of perseverance and almost a month to get him to actually eat his food. Now, because he was such a good boy, because you were a good boy, weren't you, Paddy? Do something nice like a whistle. Like I was saying, because he was such a good boy, yes, you know good boy, don't you? Because he was such a good boy, at the end of the night, I started giving him some millet, some millet and some birdseed. Backfired on me badly. He's slowly started pushing it further and further and further to eat anything else, waiting for the time when he would get his millet. So tonight he is getting no millet. I feel terrible about it, and before you start saying, oh, what a cruel mummy she is, just look, please, just look. This is one selection of food. Okay? Now that is potato mashed with sweet potato, which I know he likes. That's potato mashed with carrot, which I know he likes. That is a mini omelette with healthy pumpkin seeds and bits of wild rice. That meal there is something I actually ate most of because it's just a vegetables flavored with coconut oil with wild rice and little bits of tuna. Delicious, gourmet. That is a mix of greens and more coarsely ground vegetables. That you see there is that what you see in that plate there is my You really are distracting, Paddy. You're very noisy. Is my fruit biscuits that I baked specially for him because he won't eat fruit any other way. And he is refusing to eat any of it. Look, I'm even growing carrot tops for him. So before anybody thinks that I'm going to be cruel, and you listen, Paddy, listen to me. You are having no millet tonight, absolutely no birdseed, if you don't eat at least some of this food. Okay? Till next time, guys, and I will let you know how this goes. Bad mummy, you're saying. Cruella, Cruella. Yeah, maybe. Take care, all.